This video will demonstrate how to install the MT RFID lock with auto deadbolt mortise. First, install the mortise into the door, carefully running the wire to the inside of the door. Now secure the mortise to the door using the 2 screws provided. Now install the outside assembly, making sure to run the wires through the top hole. Now install the inside assembly, running the mortise wire through the channel and the reader wires through the top hole of the chassis. Now secure the back assembly using 4 machine screws. Now connect the mortise wire. Making sure not to pinch the cable. Now connect the reader ribbon cable and then the reader power cable. And finally, connect the battery pack. You should hear the lock reset itself. Now insert the privacy spindle. For auto deadbolt, align at 3 o'clock, and for standard mortises, align at 6 o'clock. Now test the lock with a construction card for functionality. Now install the inside escutcheon. Test the functionality of the lock, making sure everything is working smoothly. Test the privacy. And now test with privacy off. Now install the 2 back escutcheon screws. Finally, install the scalp on the mortise. Now the lock is fully installed.